Most first-time cruisers pack at least one thing on this list and don't realize it's not allowed until it's too late. Let's make sure that's not you.
Number 10. Power strips with surge protectors. This one shocks people. You're allowed to bring basic USB hubs on many cruise lines, but power strips with surge protectors or extension cords are usually banned. Why? Cruise ships have very sensitive electrical systems, and surge protectors can interfere or even cause fire risks. Number 9. Irons and steamers. Yes, even your tiny travel steamer. Cruise lines don't want open heating elements in cabins because they're a major fire hazard. Cabins are small, fabrics are everywhere, and one mistake could be dangerous. Use wrinkle release spray or hang clothes in the bathroom during a hot shower instead. Number 8. Candles and incense. Romantic vibe? Not happening. Anything with an open flame is strictly prohibited. That includes candles, incense sticks, and even wax warmers. Again, it's about fire safety. Cruise ships are basically floating cities. Fire prevention is taken extremely seriously. Number 7. Alcohol from outside. Most cruise lines limit or completely ban passengers from bringing alcohol on board. Some allow a bottle of wine per adult, but hard liquor and beer are usually confiscated at security. Why? Because drink packages and onboard bars are a massive source of profit for cruise lines. Number 6. Illegal drugs, even if legal at home. This one is serious. Even if something is legal in your country or state, it may not be legal at sea or in the ports you visit. Cruise ships operate under maritime law, and penalties can include removal from the ship or involvement with local authorities. Number 5. Weapons and self-defense items. Seems obvious, but people still try. Knives, pepper spray, tasers, and even some self-defense keychains can be confiscated. Cruise security treats the ship like an airport. Anything that could be used as a weapon is usually not allowed.
Number 4. Coffee makers and kettles. Want your own morning brew? Too bad. Personal coffee makers, kettles, and hot plate are banned for the same reason as irons. Heating elements equal fire risk. Cabins are not designed for cooking or boiling water.
Number 3. Drones. You might think getting epic aerial footage of the ship is a great idea, but most cruise lines ban drones on board. It's a safety issue. Drones could hit people, interfere with ship operations, or violate privacy rules in ports. Number 2. Large speakers and amplifiers. Cruise lines don't want passengers turning balconies into nightclubs. Big Bluetooth speakers, DJ equipment, or amplifiers can be restricted because of noise complaints and public disturbance. Small personal speakers might be okay, but blasting music? Not happening.
Number 1. Extension cords. Yes, this deserves its own spot. Many cruisers pack extension cords without thinking, and they get confiscated all the time. Just like power strips, they can overload circuits and increase fire risk. Cruise cabins have limited outlets, but this isn't the solution they want you using.
So, before your cruise excitement takes over your packing, double-check your suitcase against this list. These are the cruise ship's secrets first-time passengers usually discover only after security takes their stuff away. A little preparation can save you time, money, and embarrassment at the port. If this helped you, hit like so more future cruisers don't make these mistakes, and subscribe for more cruise tips, secrets, and travel hacks that make your trips smoother and cheaper. Your vacation should start with ocean views, not a confiscation bin.